Welcome to PrintoShop, best solution for printing business. In this demo, I will show you how a printing business can manage inquiries, estimates, job orders, production status, online orders, and payments from one simple dashboard. If you are still managing print orders in diaries, WhatsApp messages, Excel sheets, or loose job cards, PrintoShop helps you bring everything into one organized system. 1. Account setup and onboarding. Getting started is simple. First, go to the sign up page. Enter your business name, phone number, email address, and password. Then click Start Managing Orders free. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on your email. Enter the OTP and click Verify OTP and create account. Once your account is created, log in and complete your company profile. Add your state, city, and PIN code so your shop details are ready. Next, create your product categories. For example, you can add a category such as visiting cards, flex printing, brochures, stickers, banners, or packaging. After that, add products under each category. For example, under visiting cards, you can add visiting card 250 GSM, 1000 quantity, set the price and save it. Now your product catalog is ready to use. 2. Creating estimates and job orders. In printing, most jobs start with a customer inquiry. With PrintoShop, you can quickly create an estimate for the customer. Go to the Estimates section, select the customer, choose the product, enter the quantity, check the price, and save the estimate. You can also preview the estimate as a clean printable document and share it with your customer. Once the customer approves the quotation, you do not need to create the order again manually. Simply click Convert to Order, and the estimate becomes an active print job. If a customer comes directly to your shop and you do not need to prepare an estimate, you can create a manual order. Go to Job Orders, click Add New Entry, enter the order details and save it. This helps you create a proper digital job card in seconds. 3. Production tracking and payment. After creating the order, you can track the full production process. From the Job Orders screen, you can update the order status step by step. For example, you can move the job from material, to printing, to delivery, and then to payment. This gives you a clear view of where every order is. Your staff and owner can quickly understand which jobs are pending, which jobs are in production, and which jobs are ready for delivery. When the order reaches the payment stage, PrintoShop allows you to record the amount received and the payment method, such as cash, bank transfer, or UPI. This helps you manage payment collection and reduce missed follow-ups. You can also share a track order link with your customer. The customer can open the link and see the order timeline. This reduces repeated phone calls and WhatsApp messages asking, "Is my order ready?" 4. Online storefront and customer inquiries. PrintoShop also gives your printing business an online storefront. Your customers can visit your online shop, browse your products, select what they need, and send an order request. They can enter their name, phone number, order details, and special instructions. Once they submit the request, it appears inside your admin dashboard, under Online Inquiries. You can review the inquiry and confirm it. With one click, you can convert the online inquiry into a proper job order. After that, you can manage it like any other print job, from material, to printing, to delivery and payment. This means your website inquiries, walk-in orders, and regular customer jobs all stay in one system. 5. Quick calculator. Print jobs often need quick pricing. For custom jobs, you can use the quick calculator from the dashboard. It helps you calculate prices quickly and respond to customers faster. This is useful for urgent inquiries. Thank you for watching this PrintoShop demo. I hope this demo helped you understand how PrintoShop can make your printing business more organized, digital, and easier to manage. If you are still using diaries, WhatsApp messages, Excel sheets, or manual job cards, now is the right time to move your print shop into one smart system. With PrintoShop.in, you can manage inquiries, estimates, job orders, digital job cards, production status, online orders, customer tracking, and payments from one dashboard. Stop losing orders, stop missing customer follow-ups, start managing your print shop in a smarter way. Start your digital printing business journey with PrintoShop.